What's up, everybody? Beachin With The Boones here, and today we're going to go out on the ocean after Hurricane Ian and see what washed up. Stay tuned. What's happening, everybody? If you love the beach just as much as we do, make sure you click that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you can keep up with what's going on around Myrtle Beach, such as ships right at 22nd Avenue washing ashore. Let's see if we can get a closer look. If we can find a way over there. So it appears that Hurricane Ian pushed this big shrimper boat off the ocean and onto the shore. It's pretty neat. It shows the power of a hurricane. You got your news out here. So there's some destruction. So we're right at 22nd Avenue here in Myrtle Beach to witness this boat being pushed ashore. So I was speaking to the lady earlier, and she said that she's staying in this hotel right here, and they saw it offshore as the waves were pushing in, coming in, and Coast Guard had rescued like 4 people off of it, and they got them safe, and the boat just kept coming on in and eventually landed right here at 22nd Avenue. I think that's a shrimping boat, Captain.
Once you left, the smell of formaldehyde got real bad.
And if you notice, there is a lot of cameramen here from different news organizations.
Yeah.
Got your Coast Guard out here. Local law enforcement. They put out these cones here to keep everyone away so they could work on it, get it back in, hopefully soon.
And if you're wondering what all these sticks are for, just like we were, they're up underneath the sand dunes. Whenever Hurricane Matthew came through, we walked out there on the beach and I'm like, what? Who did all the poles? But this is where the sand dunes normally cover this. Interesting.
And that's why it's important not to get on the sand dunes, because they protect, are supposed to protect, high seas coming in. Well, that's a look at what washes up after a hurricane here in Myrtle Beach.
One of the most amazing things that I'll ever get to see, probably. That's pretty cool.
So make sure you like and subscribe, keep up with what's going on so you can keep beaching.